So, and I guess if we distill it down, the element of social proof, reviews, ranked versus unranked, some sort of credibility given to the app, that app is going to perform better if we're comparing the same type of app. Is that about a fair summation?
Yeah, definitely. And it both in terms of consumers' perception and just the actual algorithm that boosts their
Oh,
ranking.
interesting.
It's kind of self-reinforcing as well. Like the which is a big takeaway is that the better the best keep on getting better within an app store
Hmm.
because of the added impact of being higher ranked. They get more installs, they get better reviews, most likely most of the time. And I talk about that, which is one of the reasons why my model is called a lag dependent variable model, which essentially means that one of my variables on the right hand side of the equation that impacts the app's ranking on the other side of the equation, like what I'm looking at, is the previous week's ranking. And
Okay,
it's basically just saying that yesterday's or last week's ranking impacts my current week's ranking, which
makes
is the
sense.
case because apps do get better. And it results in the other factors getting better as well.
So, like a song on the Billboard charts, it was number 10 last week. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to number 8 this week, but what your research found was that if it's an app, if it performed well last week, we're using that as some sort of indicator for how the algorithm is going to reward the app this week. Is that
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of just like momentum in general is
momentum? Yeah.
like a way to describe it. Like for even a stock that gets invested in, like a meme stock, once a few people start to get in, it
Sure.
starts to get better, and the curve isn't linear; it's a lot more exponential in terms of the factors that are on that app and their growth as well.
Was there any evidence or any learnings around how those early or how those apps got early traction? Was there any evidence of what they had done to get themselves into that position?